Here to that tree.
Hi guys, playing Monkey Vibes with the owner and the creator. Dude, do those kick? Wait, do those kick?
Yeah.
Yo.
Wait, I think if you go, I think I made a hitbox so. No, you can't get kicked like this.
You
If I go
sure?
up. No, you can't.
Dude, what if you just
can't
put it back up and then just...
Look, come. It doesn't kick. Trust me. I swear it doesn't kick you. I have this down.
If it kicks me.
See?
Okay. No, I don't want to do it no more.
If I do this.
Wait, so then what does?
Go, cheese, go forward.
He just got kicked, bro.
Wait, how to put this off? I can't. There's no way I can put this off now. Oh wait, I can't. Yeah.
Boom.
Boom.
Hey, why is there two me's? Is that a glitch?
What?
There's two me's. I'm gonna start actually playing this game because.
Do you have the key?
Okay. I only have support on YouTube, bro.
No, the key in the shop. Do you have it?
Wait, the what? Let me go.
The key in the shop. Do you have it? Do you have the key?
Where? Oh. The flux?
No, the key.
Where?
Here.
The key?
At the corner.
Yo, what is that?
20,000.
1,000?
20,000.
20,000? I only have one. Wait. I have 13209. Wait, what happens if you get the key?
You can go to a new game mode.
What's the game mode?
Hmm?
What's the game mode?
At the end of horror, there's a portal. You can go in there with the key.
Okay, I'm going to definitely save up for that. 20,000.
You can try and go to horror and see. You can see the portal in horror, but you can't get in. You just get a message.
I need to save up.
You can farm 100 monkeys in horror.
Oh.
Every time you breathe. What?
Wait a minute. Can I just do laser and get like 200? Yeah, I can just get 200. But I don't want to restart my game. I'm gonna do laser real quick.
She's left.
Why'd he leave? Or did you kick him?
No, he left. He has to go.
Oh.
Farm monkeys till you get you know what? I'm going to give you monkeys because I'm good. Because I'm a good person.
Chewing. I just got kicked because the laser just hit me. It's gonna be in a part 1, so see you guys.